Alright, what's up you guys? Super stoked on today. I've been wanting to redo this rope swing for probably about a year now. I swing on it with Dylan Neff in an old video a long time ago, and it's sketch. It's just not safe, and I see my friends swinging on it, so not about that. So we got a 9,000 pound rope back there. Got Leah coming in, and we're gonna redo it, make it dope, and have a good time swinging on it. Hopefully get some good swings on. Got some camera gear here. And try to have a good little video and kick it at the lake. Isn't that right, Leah?
Yeah, so it's fun.
Yeah, buddy. I gotta turn your
Are you
back.
trying to film my fat again? Why are you taking so many
Get your
photos
back.
of my fat belly?
Turn the back. Boom.
Cause I'm about that. Cause I'm about that.
I'm about that come up, running up on them fools that are talking foolish. Try to get them buns up, killing them mic just like I ran and Jules in. Y'all gonna get done up front, knowing that kid with an attitude.
Just got to the lake, gonna see what this rope swing looks like and if it's the best tree out here to beef it up a bit, or if we need to hop in another one and build a whole new rope swing. So, all right, this is it. This is the tree. Oh yeah, there's potential. We're gonna be able to swing so far. Dude, this is the grill spot. Yep, right there, bam. You're not serious about grilling.
Hey.
This is the spot, dude. We're gonna beef this swing up. So right now, you can see it's tied on that dead little branch. We're gonna redirect from like the tip somewhere and up and have a way better swing and hopefully be able to swing all the way out here or something. Sound like a plan?
Heck yeah.
Look at this dude. Steals my shoes. I have to give them to him. So we just had a cop go by. I don't think there's anything wrong with climbing a tree. But anyways, we're gonna run up there, and first things first, we gotta get the throw ball over that big branch right there so I can climb up at least that high to get the rope anchored up there and then redirect it on the branches on the way down.
Back in the mud. Sneak over by him.
Hey Chris, you got the...
All right, let's see it, Chris. Let's get that throw ball through that good branch. Dude, that was good. I think that'll work. Relying on Chris here, and he pulled through. He pulled through.
On that branch.
We're right where we want to be. We're just trying to lower that, and then we'll attach my rope, and we'll be looking good.
You got it. Keep going. There you go.
There we go.
It's
Yeah,
on there.
perfect.
Sweet.
That's money right now.
Because the one that's over there kind of seems like it's on like a dead branch.
Oh yeah.
So we want to put a better one out there so they can go swinging.
That's cool.
Yeah.
No, we were watching you.
Yeah, I saw you guys from up there.
I was like, that guy looks like a professional.
Yeah, no, he climbs trees for a living.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
it's
that's why
like, he has like all like stuff.
Yeah, he has all the gear to climb up there and
Yeah.
a good rope, and he knows he knows what he's doing. Yeah.
That's pretty crazy.
Yeah, he's up. If you're standing over here, you can have like a perfect view.
Is he taking the old one?
I think he might take the old one out. I'm not sure.
Oh yeah.
Just so there's only one there and they won't get tangled. But
Oh, so it was on that little one.
First things first, you can't miss a good opportunity. Get out of here. Alright, so went good. we're gonna cut the rope the length we want, basically feel it out to what's, whatever we can get to the top of the road with. And we got it redirected through different branches so the weight's dispersed. And each one of the branches are real big, and it's nice and safe now. So, and we're gonna have a way fatter swing all the way out. So it should be safer. It will be safer. It's as safe as it can get. This rope will hold 9,000 pounds, and ain't nobody that fast. So it'll be fine. We're gonna send it in a few seconds. Woo! So we got it set up just how we want, but we didn't think about the further out it is, the more you're gonna drop, and we're not on a steep enough hill to where we can just drop off a cliff and go. So basically, we're gonna do some fat sends out of the tree, like really high. That'll work.
No, that's good.
Perfect, that's right where it was. And anyways, so we're putting the line back up there. I'm gonna climb up, put a stopper knot in the rope here, do some big sends, and then basically go up, take it out, and then put it basically where it was before, but on an actual live branch. Not something sketchy like before, which is like a tiny little dead stick up there. So it'll be, when we leave here today, it'll be what it was before, but safer. But for now, we're gonna have some big sends and do some fun stuff, so.
Awesome. Hey Chris, how many tries is that?
2.
Oh!
Yeah. Yeah. After I get it, I reinvest. After I get it, I reinvest. People wanna talk that talk in reality. You have not seen me in action. You think the come up comes overnight. You ain't behind the scenes. Trust me, these things don't just happen. No shade to Gerald, but G's don't come easy when you tryna eat out producing and rapping. I read that contract you sent me to sign, but excuse me, I can't help myself, I'm just laughing. Hey, you tryna cut out a piece of my pie, and I asked you politely, what's it that you offer me? Yeah, I produce all my own beats, and I have no intention of losing my publisher. Yeah, independent individual, boy, I've been eating off passive residuals. Yeah, let's be professional. Thanks for your time, but I had to decline at that principle. I've been scheming up a plan, hey. I've been saving all I can, hey. You could call me David Ramsey. The way I handle these bands, hey. We ain't messing with the old model. New era, new kid, we full throttle. Just know that the come up is not a fluke. My amigos, they focus, know what to do. After I get it, I reinvest. After I get it, I reinvest. After I get it, I reinvest. Stack and put it back in it. After I get it, I reinvest. After I get it, I reinvest. After I get it, I reinvest. Stack and put it back in it.